Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am Hrudayesh B. Today in this video, I would like to demonstrate a new project. It's called Bluetooth Controlled Smart Socket. This project was created to participate in hobby project event organized by Siddaganga Institute of Technology, Tumkur. And today I would like to demonstrate this project. So this is a Bluetooth controlled smart socket. We can control the smart socket using the app. It has features like manual mode, timer mode, temperature sensor mode, and temperature lock mode. I'll go through all these modes in today's video. So let's begin. First things first, let's start with the hardware overview. So this is a box in which all the components are enclosed. This is the hardware overview. This is an Arduino Uno R3, a 9-volt battery. It is powering the Arduino Uno externally. A 4.2 volt lithium ion 18650 cell, breadboard, HC05 Bluetooth module, buzzer. This is the sensor wire from DS18B20 waterproof temperature sensor. This is a 5 volt single channel active low relay module.
DPST switch.
This is a 16 by 2 I2C LCD display, 5 pin AC socket, and this is a 3 pin AC plug. So this was the hardware overview. This
DPST double pole single
is
throw.
used to connect the 9-volt battery to Arduino Uno. All the components such as Bluetooth module, buzzer, LCD display is powered from Arduino Uno, and a separate 18650 4.2 volt cell is used to power the relay, and this switch is used to turn on both the power supply at the same time. Now let's talk about the software part. This is the smart socket app created using MIT App Inventor. It has switch for manual control, a temperature mode, sensor mode, a timer mode, and option for voice commands as well. And one more feature is the temperature lock mode. All the modes will be demonstrated in this video. So let's start with the demonstration part. So let's start with the demonstration. Here is the switch. Let's turn it on. The LCD display smart socket and the buzzer beeps thrice. Let's connect the smartphone app to our Bluetooth module. The Bluetooth must be turned on in the device, and HC05 is the module being used. Let's connect it. It gives a prompt saying smart socket is connected. Now let's start with the manual mode. I've used a cord extender and connected the 3-pin plug to the project. I'm using this 0.5 watt LED bulb to demonstrate manual mode and timer mode. Let's plug this into the socket. The bulb is plugged in. Here is the app. The Bluetooth is connected. Let's turn on the switch. I'll click on the button. You can hear the relay sound, clicking sound, and it says manual mode on. Now we can turn off the bulb by clicking on this button. The relay turns off. Now I would like to demonstrate the timer mode. User can select the time period for which the socket has to be turned on. For this project presentation, I am going to set the timer for 5 seconds. Let's click 5, and in this select options, I am going to select seconds. Now I click on this clock icon to turn on the timer for 5 seconds. The relay turns on. You can notice the time period countdown in the LCD display. After 5 seconds, the relay turns off the AC socket. Now let's demonstrate the temperature sensor mode. I have connected the 1500 watt electric kettle and filled it with water. I'll be immersing the DS18B20 temperature sensor to heat the water to a specified temperature level. Now let's go to the app. For this project presentation, I set the water temperature for 40 degrees Celsius. In this box, I'll select degrees Celsius, and we have to make sure that the manual button of the kettle is turned on. As you can see, there is no light indicating, but the socket is connected, but the relay is turned off. Let's immerse the sensor into the water kettle. The sensor is making contact with the water. Let's start the temperature sensor mode. Click on the thermometer icon. The kettle turns on. You can see all the changes are reflected on the LCD display. It says sensor mode and it's on, and the current degree reading is 26 degrees Celsius. You can listen to the water boiling. The temperature is rising. It says sensor mode is off and the buzzer beeps thrice. The kettle is turned off. So this was the temperature sensor mode. There's one more mode. It's called the temperature lock mode. In the temperature lock mode, user can select the temperature and specified amount of time, and the temperature will be maintained till the specified time period is elapsed. Now I'll demonstrate the temperature lock mode. I have set the value of temperature to be 52 degrees Celsius and a time period for 60 seconds. Let's start the mode by clicking on the lock icon. It says temp lock on and the readings to be 30 degrees Celsius. The kettle is on. I'll immerse the sensor. Water is boiling. You can read the temperature simultaneously. I have set it to 52 degrees Celsius. The water will boil up to 52 degrees Celsius. The buzzer has beeped for 3 times and it says temp lock off, but now the 60 seconds time is now being made to count, and I'll immerse the sensor in the water. If that in this mode, if the temperature drops below the threshold temperature, the kettle turns on. As you can see, the reading is 41 as I immersed in cold water. I'll immerse it back again in hot water. Now the relay is off. I'll immerse the sensor again into the cold water and simultaneously look at the readings. It's on to maintain the temperature. I'll immerse it back again. It has reached 52 degrees Celsius, but it does heat above the set value because the heater is still hot. So this was the project demonstration. Do let me know your comments in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care, guys.